Samenyaetab kat eng kaimutietab musangnatet nekait. Kounotok ko wendi kewekchinigei logoiwek chebo tai. Ole kayai bandab oret kipsomaninik chebo sukulitab Eldoret National Polytechnic konerekyi kit nekamwa kole kokibar kipsomaniat agenge nebo sukulinoto eng kembout nekaekchin betutab rani eng kebeberta nebo Langas ole kanerekyi ichek kit nemwoe kole kokoba barak yautik chebo weketab kalyet eng komasata mising ko cheitokyingei kipsomaninichata. Kaitita kipsomaninik ketesietab police nebo Langas komache kinoisechi ichek amune asikebaorionji yautionoto eng komasata kit nekamwa ichek kole moiyoni kotestai noto eng nekamwa kole yautionoto ko nebo oeng eng nguni kongetegei kenyit kosirtoi ako tomo koker ichek kakwautiet age tugul neibei ofisaek chetononjin ripsetab kalyet eng komasata. Kinyoru sirindenyo Timothy Kiplimo asikoarorwech eng koindo.
Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, power! Power! Justice delayed! Justice denied! Justice delayed! Justice denied!
Kondochin Kevin Kasam kokayai bandab oret kipsomaninik choto bo sukulitab musoknatet nebo Eldoret National Polytechnic konerekyin baretab kipsomaniat nebo sukulinoto en kembout nekaekchin betutab raini en kebeberta nebo Langas nemiten sang nebo nganaset nebo Eldoret. Ole mwaat kele kokibokyi kipsomanianoto bo kenyisiek 22 kwendi koinyi en saisiekab kemboi ole kokikwer metit akobet sobet en yoto kobate makichor kiy age tugul nekotinye cheboto simetab eut.
That was a guy that was beaten on the head with a club and died instantly on the spot due to severe bleeding from the mouth and the nose. We ended waiting for the DCI and the police department to report and tell us the incident. They reported later at 9 in the night and being so rude to us. While they are so drunk, threatening us that they will leave the body to us. That is one statement that has angered the comrade.
Kanarekyi kipsomaninik choto kit nekamwa kole yautionoto komo yautiet netai ole kamwa kole kikibete kora kipsomaniat age sobet en komosata ken kenyit nekosirtoi ako tomo konyor ichek logoiyo kobun afisaekab police kotinygei ak chikilisiet nekikiyai. Kit nekamach serikalitab county en kibagenge ak serikalit neo koker kole kakikanapta ripsetab kalyet en komosatak.
Every year since I joined this institution kutoka 2022 tumekuwa tunapoteza student every year. Kuna mwingine aliuliwa kama umbwa hapa nyuma, DCI wakakuja wakafanya mambo yao wakatuambia wanatupatia mwenye alifanya hiyo kitu. That is 2 years. Hadi ya leo tuko na miaka 2 mwaka wa pili na tujajua mwenye aliyemua ndugu yetu. Jana jioni tena tulipigiwa simu. Kufika huko tena tunapata mmoja wetu ameuliwa na tunauliza mapolisi, wanatuambia tungoje wanafanya uchunguzi watatupa matokeo. Kama miaka 2 iliyopita bado hajatupea matokeo hadi saa hii. Sembuse hii ya jana watatupea matokeo lini?
We are calling out to the national government and the county government. As much as we are advocating for our security, we are asking the county government to put security lights on our roads. We are no longer safe. The MCA should come up, the governor should come up, and any county official should come up and put security lights around our institutions. Teleview, Kisumu Ndogo, Yellow Line and Cherunya. We need security for our comrades.
En kasarata ko muafisayat netonondochin segeisiet en county nebo Uasin Gishu Daniel Muli kole kakotoi afisai choto chikilisiet ole kamach kipsomaninik kokimit kalyet en kasarta netesetai chikilisiet ole kasom kipsomaninik choto cheimuch kotinye logoiyo newendi kotoreti en chikilisiet kosir logoiyo en ketisietab police asikeker kele kakinam chi age tugul neimuch kokotinygei ak yautionoto.
Mwili ulipatikana ukiwa na majeraha, umegongwa kichwani na blunt object, na tumeanzisha uchunguzi. DCIO Kapseret ameanzisha uchunguzi tuweze kujua haswa ni nini inaendelea na nani walihusika na hayo mauaji. Tunajua leo wanafunzi wenzake wamejitokeza kuingia barabarani wakitaka kujua nini imefanyika, na tungeomba utulivu kwa wanafunzi, watulie, uchunguzi tufanye, na wale wanaweza kuwa na information yoyote watusaidie kwa uchunguzi.
Kong'ete nganaset nebo Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV kaninyu ko Timothy Kiplimo.
Ketesetai ak logoiwek ko kakomongkei boisiek ak meng'ikab Kipkelion eng county nebo Kericho ako esio logoiwek chetesetai chetinyegei ak lekisipto teksetab sipitalit neo nebo Londiani Referral Hospital eng komasata eng mwaet kole moiyoni icheket ole mochei kisub koyanchinet nekibo tai. Iarorwech koindab logoiwechuto sirindenyo Robert Siele.
Kong'ololen kap Cheplanga en Kipkelion Eastern County nebo Kericho kasarta nekayai tuyet boisiek kobun Kipkelion kondochin Wiling'et Chakokiliot Ben Siele komwa icheket kole makat kisuldaen teksetab sipitalit neo nebo Referral Hospital nebo Londiani en komosta nebo Londiani kou en kayanchinet nekikakityin.
Kiit nekakimwoe ako kakitil kiit nekikiberur kerongyi mwaita ak kesochi kotengek ingowis chito ako tengek ang Kipsigis makikele mo lakwa amakikochin kiy lakwa sikeweke kaketil ko ki Kipkelion kong'asis ak lekem kele Referral ko makiwise.
Miten ng'wonindo bikyok kimwoe kongoi Kipresident korong netai betut nekai Londiani kole tun kawe gaa nanyun atekwo koyon ko ng'olyot nekimwochini kongoi kit nekiyamwa en kutinyin.
Kamwa boisiechoton kole rirtoen kandoikab county nebo Kericho en mwaet kole moibchin kamanut makutikwak olekakon icheket kamuisetab kokochi icheket biret en lewenisiet nenyone.
Ako mabat kiy amu makipchin rirekyok president kandoikyok chemi ngweny chekikileweni. Kou noto ko kakitil kele kimoche kandoikyok yekikur kokasech ko nemakasech ko makingen any kit nekitoitu. Ngotun imoe chikur ayandenyon en Kipkelion East ak Kipkelion West sorun pin number nekibore Referral en Londiani. Sorun password nekibore Referral en Londiani. Ngotimoe PUK nebo kuraisiek kyok 2027 sorun PUK ne Referral en Londiani.
Kamwa Okiliot Ben Siele kole katil boisiek en kibagenge kong'et sipitalinoton en Londiani en nekamwa icheket kole nyolchin ak ichek boisionoton kebeberatan.
Miten ng'alek chebendote chekiketengan mbaret en Kericho ko kamwa kole makiyoni kisipto mbarani en teksetab Referral en koron. Kole makiyoni ako kole tayari koyai kit age tugul nemukokse koter. Ako kosom president nebo emoni kolenji kou ole kiraking'werer konyolu keyai en yutok en komosta nebo Londiani ngamun ot agechek konyolu projects ichoton.
Ng'alekab Referral ko kikakiyai public participation en Kericho neki chitab ng'echeret ko ki Jackson Koskei ako kikiyonchin kele kiteche Referral en Londiani kosipke ak ne pilotit nekibit kitinye ekaisiek 100 kong'eten yoton baka nguni kotom kitaki mbaranoton.
En kasaratan kora koboisien boroinoton boisiechoton kosom MCAs chebo County Assembly nebo Kericho koboisien kimnotet nemiten en ng'atutik keborien biik chetinye kakubetab rabisiek en county nebo Kericho asikebaorienchi bandab tai.
Ng'alekab Kericho County kake kimoe nyikonik chenamwech chorik chekochorso en Kericho. Kimoe kipongeza raini chito nebore deputy governor nenyikan nemwoe imanit akotononen imanit akobo chorik chemi Kericho. Iman anan maman? Kakonyikanit kakotok kele mwoe imanit Fredini. Kakoet chorset nekeyoe en Kericho County. Ako kokikoi nafasi MCAs kobukto chorik tugul. Anibuch ko tun nyone maat neo ak beekab mogoch chekimen en 2027.
Kong'eten county nebo Kericho logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Robert Siele.
Ketesetai ko kakoboibochi alage eng kandoikab county nebo Nandi tesetab tai nebo teksetab sukulitab barak nebo Koitalel Samoei netesetai keteche eng komasta nebo Nandi Hills. Kamwa kandoichoto koboto CC nebo kabatisiet eng serikalitab county notok bo Nandi Dr. Kiplimo Lagat ak MCAs cheterter kondochin MCA nebo Chepkunyuk John Keter Tildai kole wendi sukulinotok bo Samoei koeku borotet neo eng meng'ikab county notok bo Nandi. Kinyoru report nebo sirindenyo Nelson Tarbei.
Kondochin CC nebo kabatisiet eng serikalitab county nebo Nandi Dr. Kiplimo Lagat, MCA nebo Nandi Edwin Kemboi anan Cheptuget MCA nebo Chepkonyokyon Keteran Antildai, MCA nebo Kapsimot Edwin Korir, MCA nekikitororchon Bitok anan Laldim, koboto Wilfred Keter ne ko toretindetab MP nebo Nandi Hills Bernard Kitur, komwa ichek kole boibochin tesetab tai nebo teksetab sukulitab barak nebo kotelel Samo eng Nandi Hills, ole kikoborchigei ichek eng kasarta nekoi.
Ain kabisa kebarge amoto aebuchi vete nebo president sikekuone sinya angungunyi kidogo okiyama ngunya mu university. Lakini kukura Felix akulejo mesi wasiwasi hii itawekwa kwa budget. Kokiyokure lejo kongwe yangu wamba sirteng ya kokiyokonyo contractor. Bila kutoa tudewa mawatao basa tukubesho amune. Project inaendelea. Aneko kiomeje kito university basi. Kongoda mangeti ogeramburga tu aba kuboro university ko magwata style.
Kimoje kelejo president kongwe ngalio tab university. University ni Samoei ko kaangas ko moe bije tang. Lakini the history Nenge pick up Samoei. But tu you shaki gang Samoei you Nasare Comoros. They will get a Wongo Museum, move you do it dimita boy shake, but quite the other. In the game of in Go Galaga Common University. They will get a Wongo get to public service, or move Kitel, Agaje, Kitel Ponench.
Kounoto kocher ichek meng'ikab Nandi Hills kotech korik ako chopchigei baetab tuga kolsetab amitwogik cheterter asikobit konyorune ichek kelchin sukulinoto.
Ngitinye kabungu kidogo icheng chepkonda kidogo asiketech rental houses asikeakomoditen lagok chebwone emoni kenyoru kelchin biikab Nandi Hills. Nebo aeng ko ngeyai boisiet kora nemutai kemuchi keoldochi matundek lagok keipchi amitwogik kora kokakealde kenyoru kobit chakekure pesa mfukoni.
Koleka kityo obai tuga mu chego size ni koyo kusulu pokol litait inyo. Ma ubure ka chego ak chai kama na lukio borjige chai kabisa lakini ongeweke teta. Loto kule kisobe. Ngokiet amu mai kinyo kupome lagoju kumakumeli kubunwa singishu. Ngoko lago tikitunde wenu kutaman akome mai ko engila betut angelo lago kome mai ko ro no koskole.
Kemeje jebioso myo de meso poldangwe. Mije tele kwenyo mije de meso kele kemeje yibujego. Mi wafanye kazi este migo. Komite misang so employment ko directly and indirectly. Kemeje vite sana kweli ko sancho lago myo wasangyo.
Kabaibachi ichek kora tesetab tai nebo serikalitab President William Ruto mising ko mbolea chekikon serikali eng kalyet nemite ng'ony eng mwaet kole kokoisto nito rubet eng emet.
Akemwa ng'alekab mbolea ko kikereduce man mbolea kong'ete 7,000 akoi 2,500. Kingonome president ng'echeret ko kilochi biik saburionik eng Nairobi akwai maandamano. Komakikwai kasi man kot ko kikong'ete saburiet metit ak komakiyai kasit neo man.
Kong'eteke county nebo Nandi logoiwekab emet chebo Kass. Kainenyu ko Nelson Tarbei.
Ketesetai kotinye serikali tetutik chebo kokanapta sekta nebo kabatisiet mising ko nebo boikab tugab chego. Nito kosubkei ak rubeiwotab nebo ng'echeret eng committee nebo Trade, Industry and Cooperatives eng bunge nebo National Assembly Marian Kitany nekamwa ine kole baetab tugab chego konyolu konyorune kelchin kabatik, kit nekamwa kole kokokanapta serikali alyetab chego. Akenyoru sirindenyo Festus Rono kong'ete Bomet County asikoarorwech eng koindo.
Kosubkei ak statement nekikoito MP nebo Sotik Ambassador Francis Igei koityi National Assembly Committee nebo Trade, Industry and Cooperatives nebo konai akobo koimutik chebune factory nebo chego nebo KCC en Sotik mising netinyegei ak kiboitinik ko kaitita committee inoton factory nebo KCC en Sotik kondochin rubeiwotab nebo ng'echeret en committee inoton Marian Kitany asikotebsen ofisaek cheechen en KCC akobo kewelutik chebune icheket kit nekamwa kole kakonai ak alak en koimutik ko kakimuch kistoengei.
Kakibwa yura ko ki committee nebo parliament nekere ng'alekab Trade, Industry and Cooperatives ng'alekab chego chetoreti farmers chechoket ako kakibwa because mjumbe nebo yu noto ko PCCK ko kokakon complaint kole rirtos bikwak anan kabatikab oli amu makilibani chekwak in good time ak nebo aeng ko koriro amu kikang'et factory nebo Sotik ko tonon chekab mursik chechobe eng yutok yu so kakesungukan factory kake confirmen kele kokiwek iman mursik chotok ako amune sikakinem anan kikakiisto mursik amu kikang'et kikaba ng'weny chego chekeibu kobwa factory nito bo in Sotik ako because wakulima chebo yutok yu ko kitinda a lot of competition kikakikochi mabeishek kekoro laini kikilipani chekwak in kokakochelewan KCC kosir chumbo competition. So kakengalal ak in factory nitok ni ak management nebo KCC ak kakeyonchin kele konyo ak strategy neimuch kolipan chechutok eng haraka kokerkeit ak competition.
Kamwa Getany kole tinye tetutik serikali nebo kokanapta kabatisiet nebo baetab tuga chebo chego asikonyorunen kelchin biik chekikochutyi sekta inotok.
In terms of beitab chego ko kararan beitab chego nebo KCC. Kakomwawech wakulima kole iman nyoru chego ak eng siling konom eng litait ko kararan bei noto ngi compare ak in competition amun competition ko siling 38 35 igere ile mi ngweny bei noto. So kimache kelechi KCC ngwai akichek juu chini kot kuhakikishan kole kakobwa chechotok akelipan ngele baada ya wiki mbili ku competition ako kakemwochi kora KCC kelechi kochop factory age tugul koek kosentanyu mang'en ale kimwoito ano ngutit kotonondojigei factory age tugul sikuhakikishan kele chego chebwone kongen mkulima kole chekchuk chekakobwa kakenyoru profit cheu chekile, so that profit nguno ko encouraging farmer mutai korib factory nenywa amu KCC ko nenyo. Ibwati ale kiakobut factory nebo kiakobut KCC lakini kinget serikali amu kibo cooperatives kibo wakulima konde chepkondok kuhakikishan kole kakonget factory ako kikere noto amune sikere nguno factory nitok ni kotesetai koyoe kasit. So kimache konget these factories ko hakikishan kole kakobwa chego chego mkulima kake process kakialda tugoshek ngiwe tuget nguno ko changa chego chemi chebo KCC ako changa faida chenyoru KCC.
Kates komwa ine kole bendi kokonoptoi alyetab aletab chego ko oret agenge nebo kekanapta ak kikimit sekta inoton kou kabatik alak chebo minutik cheterter.
Ndakiwale payment koek every 2 weeks ko kaikaitu. Imuch konget okot factory kole ngelipan nusu ku bei na kilipanen abo 38 ku kila mtu siko bei na mi barak ko kerkeit bonus mara nikikibe akoi mwisho wa mwezi anan ko mwisho wa mwaka sikelipanji mkulima koek bonus. So wekse committee ni CEO ko wekse committee nyu komwawech kole kakoamwa ne sikemwochi akine mkulima simutai kongen mkulima kale chego chealdai nguno kelipana baada ya wiki mbili 38 ak chuna la kelipan maybe baada ya mwaka moja.
Kongeten county nebo Bomet logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Festus Rono.
Ketesetai ko oret nebo ketoret neranik chekokowong somanet mising ko chebo muswoknotet eng kosisiek cheterter eng county nebo Nandi konyor kanetisiet barnotik cheitei 150 kobun serikalitab county nebo Nandi eng kibagenge ak kibagengeit nebo KCB eng kasartab arawek 6 eng tokyinetab kikochi naet kotinygei ak ortinwek cheimuchi koboisie ako chebitunotin cheimuchi koboisie kokanapta sobenywa nebo kotugul. Kama Governor nebo Nandi Stephen Sang kole nyolu kikimit program nebo kinet neranik kosirgei eng boisionik ak kenyoru sirindenyo Cornelius Keter ak logoiwechu eng koindo.
Kondochin koratak bo kamangunetab neranik 150 chekonyor kanetisiet eng kasartab arawek 6 kobun serikalitab county nebo Nandi eng kibagenge ak benkit nebo KCB eng tetutiet ne naat ko tujiajiri komwa Governor nebo county nebo Nandi Stephen Sang kole kobunchi kamanut kanetisionotok tokyingei kokoch neranik naet eng boisionik cheimuch kosuldae eng sobonwek cheipchin icheket kilchinoik kole tesetai serikali ak tetutik chebo kochengchi neranik boisionik eng emotinwekab sang.
Opportunities for young people abroad. Ile inaitwa kazi majuu. One of the countries that is exciting to us is the opportunities that are available in Germany. And I have been through Germany, and part of the impediment to Kenyans taking advantage of that agreement between the government of Germany and the Republic of Kenya is the German language, the German language training. So that the graduates that are graduating today and those others with the same skills, whether it is in electrical, plumbing, and many other technical skills, you can be able to be trained in the German language and take advantage of the government's agreement between Germany and Kenya in terms of the job opportunities that our young people can be able to access there.
Kamwa sangole nyalwe eng sugulishekab musoknotet anan vocational training centers eng county nebo Nandi kochuchui kasarta neibe kosishek cheterter eng mwaet kole mitei kosishek alake chemanyolu koib kasarta nekoi.
We must have all our programs in modular format, and that within 6 months, that is time good enough to train somebody in some of these skills, so that we do not keep our students in our vocational training for a certificate course in plumbing, in electrical, in masonry, for a period longer than they need to be there. These young men and women do not have all the time.
Kamwa kandoichoto koboto MCS kole nyolu eng serikalitab county nebo Nandi kotakotes chepkondok chekitabonchini sekta nebo neranik asiketes kaitetab neranik chekikochini kanetishet.
Tuwekeze pesa ya kutosha, shilling for a shilling, kama itakuwa hata 20 million ili to support mambo ya future hour.
We have funds for training, and it's my appeal just to the executive and to the assembly that apart from this training, I just feel that we need money for empowerment.
You are now equipped not just to seek jobs, but to create them. Go out, be bold, and build the future you envision.
Eng komasta nyi kosom ofisayat kobun benkitab KCB Chaplin Omari neranik choto kanyor kanetishet koboisie kanetutik choto konyor eng kasartab arawek 6 eng oret nebo koro kole katoret icheket eng sobenwa mising ko nebo kosirgei eng boisiet.
You have undergone rigorous training, honed your technical skills, and embraced entrepreneurial spirit that will drive you towards success. As you move forward into the world, your dreams are now within your reach. Building Kenya's future requires more than technical skills. It requires resilience in the face of challenges, a commitment to upholding the values that define us, and a willingness to collaborate for the greater good. You now have the power to change the world. You are the change agents to inspire others and to be role models of the future.
Kongete taunitab Kapsabet eng county nebo Nandi, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Cornelius Keter.
Ketesetai kokakonerekchi meng'ik chemeng'isie eng mbaretab Ngongori nemitei eng Njoro, county nebo Nakuru. Konerekchi ribikab kalyet chekokotestai koim icheket komeche kiuto kiptubotoi nebo ng'atutiet nekikon kapkirwok neking'at kong'et icheket ak ketil kirwokonoto eng tarik 4 arawetab 11 arawet noto nebo 11. Mitei terchinosiek eng namunetab mbaranoto eng kwenutab sukulitab barak nebo Egerton ak membaek chotok bo Masiemo ole mwae age tugul kole nenywanet mbaranoto. Kinyoru Dennis Kipchirchir ak logoiwechuto.
Kakomange meng'ik chemiten eng mbaretab Ngongori Farm nemiten eng Njoro county nebo Nakuru ak konerekchi afisaekab ripsetab kalyet kokotestai koim icheket komache kouto kiptuibotoi ak ng'atutik chebo kapkirwok cheking'at kong'et meng'ichotok akoi kotil kesinoto.
Kulingana na hii court order number 4 inasema kwamba, nafikiria nitaisoma ili iweze kusikika, that the status quo should be maintained. No person to enter the land to effect the persons in possession until the land dispute is determined in a court of law.
Tunaheshimu koti kabisa. Bila koti walisema ndio tunaheshimu. Lakini kitu sisi tunakataa. Mpango inapangwa saa hii. Wanasanya pesa. Na tunasikia wanasanya pesa. Tuwezi kuficha kitu ambao watu wanafanya. Anasanya pesa ya kupea askari wakuje watuburuse kwa shamba.
Yes. Mbaranotok bo Ngongori Farm komwaat kole mitei terchinet neo eng kwenutab sukulitab barak nebo Egerton ak membaek chebo Masiemo ole mwae age tugul kole nenywanet mbaranoto.
Sasa nashindwa, hawa askari wanatoka Njoro na wale wanainstructiwa na county commander wakuje kueffect watu hapa, wanajua hii order. This is the original court order yenye ilitoka kotini and we are in possession of it.
Koti alisema baki kwa shamba yenu, Egerton abaki vile ilivyo.
Kosubkei ak meng'ichoto kotetat kotil kapkirwok kesit eng tarik 4 arawetab 11 kenyini asikotil angot kong'etu icheket eng baranotok anan kiutoi icheket.
Kwa sasa kesi itakuja tarehe 4 mwezi wa 11. That is 3 months from now. Ndio kesi itafanyika na kesi itafanyika hapa.
Koti akisema iko hii na hii sawa, ndio tunaweza kuomba siku hiyo koti aliruhusu nimuondoe vitu yangu, lakini akisema mimi nikae hapo nitakaa na bibi yangu.
Kosom icheket ribikab kalyet rutochin komosatak koba icheket ak kit neiboru kole ribikab kalyet.
So ngot komi asikarindet anan komi chi nebo serikali nemoe takonyor yu komat konyo komatinye kibandet komatindoi kit neboru kole ng'o amun en ireyu mokingen kele ng'o mi che oldoi mbarani kemo kong'ole biik koiben rabisiek ko notet neketonone.
Kakityem kenyoru logoiyot kobun OCPD nebo Njoro kobate makinyoru logoiyot age tugul kong'etegei county nebo Nakuru. Logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Dennis Kipchirchir.
Yetesetai kokaipongei kibagengeisiek chemobo serikali akokoito kurset koityi serikali koker kole kaikimit akosub ng'atutik cheribe imandab kwonyik ak tibiik kobun kanyalilet eng eunekab chamanikwak. Amwa kibagengeisiek chotok kole kokotestai anan takotesetai kobune kanyalilet kwonyik chechang ak tibiik chechang eng emoni akomitei ng'atutik cheribe ichek kobate makisubi makiribe imandanywa.
While we are convening, it's always good to work together and plan in terms of what to do about the problem of trafficking of minors, of women into sexual slavery. And this is happening not only physically, but it's also happening a lot now in the digital space. So when the law is working, then it creates fear upon potential perpetrators to stop, making an act towards a violation. So we need to see how we can best work together, both the survivors network, the state officials who are charged to protect women and girls from harm, as well as the civil societies like us who are also engaged in stopping these violations.
Trafficking starts from the offline and ends up to the online. So their main objective for this convening is really to have a clear understanding that trafficking is not just happening online, especially for women and girls. It happens both at offline and at the online. Of course, looking at some of the policies that we have, whether they are fit to support that kind of happenings on the online space and on the offline space.
Remember, they are coming from a place of vulnerability, and the place of vulnerability might be about poverty, might be about not having gone to school at all, and this repeats itself in the cycles, in families, in households, so that women who have been sexually exploited, the ones we call the prostituted women, end up having most of their daughters engaging in the same.
We're really just here to hear from survivors, to hear from the different government entities such as the ODPP, to hear from the justice actors as well, just to find out how can we craft solutions that work for survivors firstly, secondly, deter perpetrators, and thirdly, ensure that digital platforms are safe, ensure that AI is designed in a way that incorporates equality, incorporates safety, and make sure that every woman and child is safe online. There are many entities that are working on tech solutions to ensure things such as the removal of offending content. We've got what's called the Stop NCIC, which is a global initiative by civil society as well as tech entities, and that helps to just remove image-based abuse, which is reported from platforms across the world. There's the NCIC reporting platform in the US, where where content around child sexual abuse material is reported and cached as well as removed from different platforms. One of the challenges that the judiciary faces is that laws currently are designed in a way that they deal with harms as they manifest offline, but not necessarily as they manifest online, which is why it's important to first reform the law to account for the ways in which the harm manifests online, and then secondly, engage judges as we're reforming the law to understand some of the hurdles that they meet.
Karutochi Safaricom M-Pesa sokoni county nebo Nairobi komartoi boisionik kwak eng customaek kwak eng Nairobi. Kataune bandanywa komasta nebo Kibera akochut kebeberwek chebo meng'otosiek cheterter eng Nairobi ole kainoisechi customaek kwak bitunetab tetutik cheterter ole kekochi ichek konunotoik cheterter koboru boiboiyet nebo kenyisiek 18 yetab ketoi M-Pesa.
Today is a flag off for the Sokoni celebrations here in Nairobi. So welcome to Nairobi. I think that's the most important thing to say. And we're being hosted this week by James Muteti, who's the RBL in the region. Now, this is about, again, engaging with our customers, ensuring that we educate them in terms of the products that we have currently, in terms of what we've launched, like Tasi loan for businesses. We've got Pochi now also, ensure that people understand how to use it. There's also loans on Pochi now. And also the fact that we've got ZD now that has been revamped as a money market solution. But over and above this, it's about giving back and engaging and celebrating with our customers to ensure that, you know, as we educate, we also do take stories and feedback from our customers and really make sure that this is our worthwhile week for us. So my plea to all staff, come out. This week we've got engagements like there's a ladies event on Wednesday. There is what we're doing with Emerald during the week, and then there's MITs the entire week. So come out, come one and all, and let's make Nairobi a success. Same way, Coast, Mountain, Rift, and last week Greater Western was a success. But let's make sure we show them how we do it in Nairobi. So come out strong. And on top of all this, last week we actually clocked 50 million subscribers. So thank you to all Kenyans and thank you to all the Safaricom team. It means the Sokonic celebration and what as we're building into PESA 25 is actually getting up towards its goals. So let's go out there, let's make Nairobi a success, and welcome one and see you all on the road.
Flag M-Pesa at 18 celebrations within Nairobi metropolitan region. It's been a long year. We started this on March this year, where we started celebrating our customers for supporting M-Pesa brand and services for the last 18 years. First is to say thank you very much to Kibera people and Kenyans at large for supporting M-Pesa the last 18 years. And not just M-Pesa, Safaricom as a brand. We're celebrating 50 million customers and above this year. This is an extension of the celebration that we are celebrating Safaricom as a whole for the last 25 years, Kenyans supporting the Safaricom brand as we continue transforming Kenyans' lives. The whole week is packed with a lot of activities. We will be engaging what we are calling Sapphire, our aspirers, customers, that is business, small and micro business people at Strathmore School, as we train them on digital services, financial literacy, and many other things.
Ako yuto kokakituch kayumetab logoiwekab emet chekakibun eng orititab tetutieng'ung nebo tililindo. Kainenyu ko Chesankaro Sirma. Testai ikere Kass TV, kimnatet net.